Behind me is the Indian Ocean, gently washing the shores of the east coast of Sri Lanka. I've been in the travel game for almost 40 years and first visited Sri Lanka in the early 90s. I've returned many times, and you wonder what draws me back each time. Well, it's a combination of remarkable wildlife, a peerless and captivating coastline, magnificent cuisine, fascinating culture, and a truly breathtaking interior. But what really underwrites all of this are its people. A people raised on the three tenets of hospitality, kindness, and of course resilience. Over the past few days, I've driven all over the island and through the capital. I've encountered a number of protesters, all of them uniformly friendly, but also passionate and indeed many desperate about their economy. I sympathise with them, as the whole country does. If your fuel price had doubled in a few months, you would feel badly let down. The blame has a clear and coherent face, and they are doing what any fully paid up member of the human race would do. Are tourists their enemy? Of course not. Do they realise this? Of course they do. Did I think of changing or cancelling my family holiday just because Sri Lankans want to put food on the table? Absolutely not. I'm trying to extend my stay. Sri Lanka has endured the unholy trinity of civil war, tsunami, and COVID. Now is not the time for abandonment. I've never felt safer anywhere. But if friendliness is the country's DNA and its hardest currency, so it needs tourists to kickstart its wayward economy. Support Sri Lanka. Support these wonderful people. Your dollar, pound or euro will go further than ever. But most importantly, come and mine a few of this island's uncut gems. You won't feel shortchanged, I assure you. Now is not the time to listen to irresponsible press outlets that shamefully ravish a non-story before moving on to bankrupt another economy with their scurrilous hyperbole. Jump on a plane, jump on it now, and discover, as Churchill described, this pearl of the Orient. And old Winston knew a thing or two about resilience.